Hello everyone. The chicken shredder. So this one of the winning products I see, and sure you know that there is a lot of advertising in TikTok now. This product is booming. It comes with two colors, red and black. The packing is all in English. There is nothing in Chinese as all our packages. This is a new winning product. I guess this is a new winning product. This is my personal opinion. Yeah, it's very light, easy to ship, and as we show in all our videos, we focus about the light and easy to ship products. So I just want to remind everyone, this is new channel for the winning products, for some information about e-commerce and Shopify, how to do dropshipping, how to make money online. There's a lot of things. You keep following us and we will show more and more. Don't forget to subscribe to our mutual dropship.com. You will see the link down, and all our services. We could do photos, videos, one product Shopify store. We could do the packing, the branding, and lots more. Yeah. More you follow us, more you will get more services. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, do some activities in this channel. I hope everyone to have happy sales. Bye bye.